Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Another day, actress court in Sensem ako wie. Na munim say Melodies there ya na me be breaking it down na nkrofo atiase. To be very frank with you here, it is no easy because me court sa brofo ne sansem a wo mo ka no. Eya omu wi a unim de me ye omu wi a eya me show proceedings ne de meti ase na meti ase omu wi a na ma hwe 3 other Abia TV stations na ma sanso etie some radio stations in order to get the explanations from experts. Nti ende say na me hwe say Gimpa o sedan wo mo law faculty, head of the law faculty on also explain here me we na me kohwe TV3 so some lawyers bi wo ho omo explain so as to get the matter like once the ade no brofo na wo mu use wo court when the article there and the rule number there no ya na wo nya lawyer wo nti ase nti we nya wo bi a obetretre mu pa tincheche mu no me from about 3 or 4 people ansa na me de ababa etina ha. But still, we do as much as possible to explain so that at least we'll be a one tissue as a crown. We'll bet in some say because when you say Ghana, the media, someone they be American say, Ayana and Crawford, one more chain na Sebi, Obia or no Sunti assembly na Sibi. Now, Baba became Bibiane Afanesa. That is not what we want. Inti from day one, DAC were courts be the breakdown on Ebremo, and then so you the breakdown Ebremo, and then ex-president John Dramani Mahama. Ne applications too enkwa ene yebogu ye na ne name no today was very very interesting. Today our court, oh Charlie, you love it if you really understood what was going on, the banter now we can especially between Chachuchi Kata and the judges obehun say yes Ghana enkrofo abenye. Now the first application address yebogu ye NDC for application say say supplementary say your free BB say supplementary say then now they were seeking to file additional ground of review no more person will replace paragraph 28 of original statement of the case now no and address Supreme Court a ball sasem no and as application no eguye now after the Supreme Court boss application eguye we and no more call recess and no more babium for the main matter and at the main case na obia air chain, and that was the review of a year NDC for sa interlocutors na yebogu ye ebia na wontia say let me explain matters so that you understand very well. On 20th of January, I stand to be corrected, but on 20th of January NDC for Eden Sembi ekokopie mu e Supreme Court enim say wo mo pese wo mo bisa jinmensa questions bi to expedite the justice or the whole court proceedings. Just a woman per se wo ye na ye ntemi no initially no wo mo pese wo mo bisa and normally no was anya man wo mo ye so that ebia the petitioner no ono so in the witness statement ni mu no ono so de benya asem ayeden aka. It is a normal process in court. In the NDC 4 years wo mo be bisa jimensa some questions bi and the Supreme Court here said that be wo mo mpene e masa questions no say NDC sorry Chachuchi Kata wo mo mpene masa questions no Chachuchi Kata mbisa akwana Chachuchi Kata ana John Dramani Mahama was Chachuchi Kata representing John Dramani Mahama so me come to ninia one thing nti akwana the lawyer for John Dramani Mahama Chachuchi Kata eba bonte beka said dabi ruling now Supreme Court dey buy say wo mo mpene ma NDC for mbisa sa questions no ruling no said the ento asumu. The Supreme Court erred in that ruling. Supreme Court need a mistake. It was anonymous. Hey, you can anonymous. Anonymous stress in Crawford 7 na judges no. Almost 7 nini na etutia into almost 7 nini will be anywhere. What penny yes Chachuchi Kata mbisa questions no. And when Chachuka said that be ruling and into apply for review. Into apply for review. Into review no na ende. Womo quarter womo ekwa me ma oti say review no de esi ne say ye the judges too esan so ebeka ho na fe judges no womo aba beda ne 9. I think so. Inti judges no ende womo beda ne 9 ena na womo tena asem no so inti na e wo say Chachuchi Kata wo san so pagya ne nsem biom inti o starting the argument na etie for ne krane nyame anim ende me bonse ma Chachuchi Kata wo de montie me bonse ma Chachuchi Kata the way he argued his point out. The way na me teenage me say hey wa benya eyede na oye lawyer wunim de wo yen so a eyede na afei what they afa. So for me, when I was listening to Chachu Chikata, I was able to break it down into 4 different case studies. Now Chachu Chikata, for me, he used 4 different case studies. First case study, and they say we use in Zambia esi e Nigeria. And also nini na wa person what say san same way ni na no e normal say ye ba ye be say interrogatory san san ye ko into you su san sem no Nigeria de bi esi ye that time na Ghana say Ghana had an interest in that particular case into you su sa case no we ye no and I was also able you su another case be our Ghana has say and also sa interrogatories in some na Supreme Court ruling be we use that case as well. We and also use President Akufo-Addo Diankasa in 2012 on also the time what they a year in some court no and also ye my President Akufo-Addo kwan say won't be sasansem no into use ye and also now we na what that side and na me who say no Chachu was very very smart. We no and judges now wamotina a year panel no one of the judges what throw book one of the Supreme Court judges what throw book now that particular case study no sa judge no the book mo no what try in favor of the Chachu Chikata na wo penalty Chachu sanso use sa case study from sa judge na nkasa ni book no e wo court it Chachu be use sa judge ni book no be won say na court no afei obi ase say wo sre. And I think that was very smart. What draw judge no ni attention eba say won nankasa ni book e this particular paragraph this particular page on nankasa throw wom say interrogatories no e was say ye say ni ye makwa ni ebisa and adan na ye case in the mo be say mo be makwa che say Chachu Chikata used all those things. It's here for muntie ni ye na wo wie ye no and you see make comment bi ana and judges ne katen say dabi ma make sa comment no obi no koka say adentin na President Akufo-Addo time there wo no there ye ma President Akufo-Addo kwan na edu mahama nkwan so there ye say ye mpene wana judges nka say oh da bi Chachu you are making it too personal and at so ka say oh ono ma onye the personal here he's just speaking what he thinks is the truth but later we mo resolve asem no but these were the statements it Chachu Chikata kan sem ni wie ye no na fe social media baby aye hey na MPP phone ya ye because what share and I would say the argument and Chachu Chikata war advancing now be mu say papa no wa bobo ntokuro wa say utumu say papa no wa bobom ama afei na wa ne judges no here and there na judges ni bi say Chachu Chikata questions here wo ka say wo bi say and then I won't train na won't be for cross examination and here is where Chachu Chikata used the ruling of the Supreme Court judges nankasa against them. And the Supreme Court judges no one more ruling the first ruling now one penny ma Chachu bisa question no one more can say questions na Chachu bisa no irrelevant to in someone na air question no na say questions no in fact the air question no ho it's emra one more bisa Chachu say I na won train na won bisa questions wey e cross examination na Chachu ka say na di mo first ruling ka mo di abai mo say ade no irrelevant na ade irrelevant na mo mpene ma mi bisa sisia say cross examination so mi ko bisa mo baka say irrelevant and na say sisia no irrelevant no edu cross examination there that particular time e be irrelevant ana so Chachu Chikata read out some of the questions and na wo bisa judges no say judges say mo tie questions here me read there it is so one pass questions wey irrelevant to nsem a ye kan na fe be social media oh now your friend say Occupy Ghana no Imani Franklin Kujo will try to social media say Chachu is in the classroom again implying say Chachu trend crofwa there me say ka be bon se mama Chachu Chikata there na ekoso wo court no but Chachu Chikata wie ye no e na easy womo so lawyer sorry ye kan bia but no ne de no na sheda anya to me no na the points in sheda anya strong it is still not Chachu ne nsem no eginemu na President Akufo-Addo lawyer sorry na me bon nsem kan say yes afiansa me hu ne say President Akufo-Addo lawyer ye kan Ghana pa President Akufo-Addo lawyer no so no so wo ho eye lawyer Akoto Ampao miso mi bonse chacho wie no me ma adwemu no mi hu se chacho aye ni na isi lawyer no so sorry kasa mi hu se still chacho aye ni na President Akufo-Addo lawyer so sorry kasa na mi hu se yes ye wo lawyers wo Ghana hey no one so ka te say chacho nsem no wo bomu ntokro o to be bomu ntokro no hu se papa we yaso a wakan e be ha chacho enye easy it mean to be fair o share the point that President Akufo-Addo the lawyer no o raise your point o raise ye ni na wo kan nsem ni awe na afi court na ye kuma wo mutie no wo kan nsem ni awe ya na to be frank me ka say dabi asem no chacho asem ni ebeboegu sana me kan President Akufo-Addo lawyer making the submission no that's what I said deep down within me say senior President Akufo-Addo lawyer bon to kru e wo chacho nsem no ye bebo eye chachichi kata na asem negu ehwa na Supreme Court by judges ni na eruli ye na wo mobo chachichi kata asem no egu ye inti no the see ye no inti and there 2 different applications from John Dramani Mahama ya boego na ochina na chese case na nkasa no sha se we mu ni na ye pese case no won se na application aba but case na nkasa se NDC fo kasa ye wiemu ama President Akufo-Addo enya se case na se yo we mu ni na ye community skirmishes bi ochina na case na nkasa ebe sha ase nti etie for ye de nsem ni na ebe bremo mo ntra mo adwen e wo comment box ni mo medase